Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of productivity by learning how to create a simple to-do system. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to get more organized, a to-do system can help you manage your daily tasks efficiently. In this video, we'll break down the process step by step, making it easy for anyone to follow along. By the end, you'll have a clear structure for capturing, organizing, and completing your tasks. Let's get started by understanding what a to-do system is and why it's so effective for boosting productivity. A to-do system is a structured way to keep track of tasks you need to complete. It helps you remember important activities, prioritize your workload, and reduce stress by providing clarity. Instead of relying on memory, you have a dedicated place to jot down everything you need to do. This system can be as simple as a paper list or as advanced as a digital app. The key is consistency. Using your system every day ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Let's explore the basic components that make up an effective to-do system. The first step in building your to-do system is choosing where you'll keep your list. Some people prefer the tactile feel of pen and paper, while others like the convenience of digital tools. Notebooks, sticky notes, or planners are great for those who enjoy writing things down. On the other hand, apps like Google Keep, Todoist, or even your phone's Notes app offer reminders and syncing across devices. Pick the medium that feels most natural to you, as you'll be more likely to use it consistently. Once you've chosen your medium, it's time to set up your list. Start with a blank page or a new file. At the top, write today's date to keep things organized. This helps you focus on what needs to be done now, rather than getting overwhelmed by future tasks. If you're using an app, create a new list or section for today's tasks. Keeping your list fresh each day ensures you're always working with up-to-date information. Now, let's talk about capturing tasks. Whenever something comes to mind, whether it's a work assignment, a personal errand, or a reminder, write it down immediately. This habit prevents tasks from slipping through the cracks. Don't worry about order or priority at this stage. Just focus on getting everything out of your head and onto your list. The goal is to make your to-do system your trusted place for all tasks, big or small. After capturing your tasks, it's time to organize them. Review your list and group similar tasks together. For example, you might have work-related tasks, errands, and personal goals. Some people like to use categories or color coding to make things clearer. Organizing your tasks helps you see what needs to be done at a glance and makes it easier to plan your day. This step is all about making your list more actionable. Not all tasks are equally important. Prioritizing helps you focus on what matters most. You can mark urgent tasks with a star or highlight, or number your tasks in order of importance. Some people use the Eisenhower matrix, which separates tasks into urgent, important, and less critical categories. By prioritizing, you ensure that your energy goes toward the most impactful activities first. Large tasks can feel overwhelming, so it's helpful to break them down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, instead of writing plan vacation, list out specific actions like book flights, reserve hotel, and create itinerary. This approach makes progress more visible and keeps you motivated as you check off each step. Remember, every big goal is just a series of small tasks. Deadlines help you stay accountable and ensure tasks get done on time. For each task, consider adding a due date. If you're using paper, simply write the date next to the task. Digital apps often let you set reminders or notifications. Setting realistic deadlines keeps you on track and prevents last-minute rushes. Remember, it's better to give yourself a little extra time than to feel pressured. At the start or end of each day, take a few minutes to review your to-do list. Check off completed tasks and move unfinished ones to the next day. This habit keeps your list current and helps you reflect on your progress. Regular reviews also allow you to adjust priorities as needed, ensuring you're always working on what matters most. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes plans change. It's important to stay flexible with your to-do system. If something urgent comes up, don't hesitate to rearrange your tasks. Flexibility allows you to adapt without feeling guilty about unfinished items. The goal is progress, not perfection. Remember, your to-do list is a tool to help you, not a source of stress. Reminders and alerts are powerful tools, especially if you use a digital to-do list. Set notifications for important deadlines or recurring tasks. This way, you won't forget critical activities, and you'll stay on top of your schedule. Most apps allow you to customize alerts, so you can choose what works best for you. Using reminders ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Some tasks repeat regularly, like weekly meetings or monthly bills. Make a habit of adding recurring tasks to your system. Digital apps often let you set tasks to repeat automatically, saving you time and effort. For paper lists, you can create a section for recurring items and copy them over as needed. This ensures you never forget important routines. You don't have to do everything yourself. If you work with a team or family, delegate tasks when possible. Assigning responsibilities not only lightens your load, but also ensures tasks get done efficiently. Digital tools often allow you to assign tasks to others and track their progress. Delegation is a key skill for managing larger projects and reducing overwhelm. Tracking your progress is motivating and helps you see how much you've accomplished. Use checkboxes, strike-throughs, or progress bars to mark completed tasks. Some digital apps provide visual summaries or charts. Seeing your progress builds momentum and encourages you to keep going, even on busy days. Take time to reflect on your achievements at the end of each week or month. Review your completed tasks and celebrate your progress. This reflection helps you recognize patterns, identify areas for improvement, and stay motivated. It's a great way to acknowledge your hard work and set new goals for the future. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when your list grows too long. To avoid this, limit your daily tasks to a manageable number, usually 3 to 5 key items. Focus on what's most important and let go of less critical tasks. Remember, quality over quantity leads to better results and less stress. Procrastination can derail even the best to-do system. If you find yourself putting off tasks, try breaking them into smaller steps or setting a timer for focused work sessions. Sometimes, just getting started is enough to build momentum. Be kind to yourself, and remember that progress, no matter how small, is still progress. Everyone's workflow is different, so don't be afraid to customize your to-do system. Experiment with different formats, layouts, or apps until you find what works best for you. Some people like bullet points, others prefer checklists or mind maps. The most effective system is the one you'll actually use. Both paper and digital to-do systems have their advantages. Paper lists are simple, distraction-free, and easy to customize. Digital tools offer features like reminders, syncing, and easy editing. Consider your lifestyle and preferences when choosing. Some people even use a combination of both for maximum flexibility. Templates can save you time and provide structure. Many apps and planners offer pre-made templates for daily, weekly, or project-based to-do lists. You can also create your own template with sections for priorities, deadlines, and notes. Templates make it easier to get started and maintain consistency. Color coding and symbols can make your to-do list more visually appealing and easier to navigate. Assign colors to different categories or priorities, and use symbols like stars or exclamation marks for urgent tasks. This visual organization helps you quickly identify what needs attention. Integrating your to-do list with a calendar can help you manage time more effectively. Schedule tasks directly into your calendar to allocate specific time blocks. Many digital tools allow seamless integration, so you can see your tasks and appointments in one place. This approach helps prevent overbooking and ensures you have time for everything. If you use digital tools, syncing your to-do list across devices ensures you always have access to your tasks. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, your list stays updated in real time. This is especially useful for people who are always on the go or work in multiple locations. Voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa can make adding tasks to your to-do list even easier. Simply speak your task, and it's added instantly. This hands-free approach is perfect for busy moments or when you're on the move. Explore your device's voice features to streamline your workflow. Your to-do system isn't just for daily tasks, it can also help you manage long-term goals. Create a separate section or list for big projects or future ambitions. Break these goals into smaller, actionable steps and schedule them over time. This keeps you moving forward and ensures your big dreams don't get lost in the shuffle. Interruptions are a part of life. When you're pulled away from your tasks, jot down where you left off or what needs to be done next. This makes it easier to resume work without losing momentum. Some people keep a parking lot section for tasks that get interrupted, so nothing is forgotten. Sometimes, tasks come with extra details or ideas. Make space in your to-do system for notes, links, or reference materials. This keeps everything in one place and saves you from searching for information later. Many digital tools allow you to attach files or add comments to tasks for easy access. Archiving completed tasks keeps your list tidy and provides a record of your accomplishments. On paper, you can move finished tasks to a separate page or section. Digital apps often have an archive or history feature. Reviewing your archive can be motivating and help you track long-term progress. Sometimes, tasks pile up and create a backlog. Periodically review your list and decide which tasks are still relevant. Let go of outdated or unnecessary items. This keeps your system focused and prevents overwhelm. Remember, it's okay to remove tasks that no longer serve your goals. Staying motivated can be challenging, especially with repetitive tasks. Reward yourself for completing important items, whether it's a short break, a treat, or simply acknowledging your effort. Motivation keeps your to-do system enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. For group projects or family chores, shared to-do lists are invaluable. Digital tools allow multiple people to add, edit, and complete tasks together. This fosters collaboration, accountability, and transparency. Everyone stays on the same page, and nothing gets missed. The best to-do system is one you'll actually use. Avoid overcomplicating things with too many features or rules. Start simple and only add complexity if it truly helps. A straightforward system is easier to maintain and less likely to be abandoned. Regularly review your to-do system to see what's working and what isn't. Make adjustments as needed, whether it's changing your layout, switching tools, or refining your process. Continuous improvement ensures your system stays effective and adapts to your changing needs. Let's look at a sample to-do list layout. Start with the date at the top, followed by a section for high-priority tasks. Next, list regular tasks, and finally, add a section for notes or reminders. This structure keeps your list organized and easy to scan. Feel free to adjust the layout to fit your workflow. A daily review routine helps you stay on top of your tasks. Each morning or evening, scan your list, check off what's done, and plan for the next day. This habit keeps your workflow smooth and ensures nothing is overlooked. Consistency is the key to long-term success with any to-do system. Set aside time each week for a planning session, review your upcoming commitments, set priorities, and break down big projects into actionable steps. Weekly planning gives you a bird's-eye view of your workload and helps you allocate time effectively. At the end of each month, review your progress and reset your system. Archive completed tasks, update long-term goals, and clear out any clutter. This monthly reset keeps your to-do system fresh and aligned with your evolving priorities. Missed tasks are inevitable. Instead of feeling discouraged, simply move them to the next day or week. Reflect on why they were missed. Was it lack of time, motivation, or resources? Use this insight to adjust your planning and improve your system. Don't forget to celebrate your successes, big or small. Completing tasks and reaching milestones deserves recognition. Take a moment to appreciate your efforts and reward yourself. This positive reinforcement keeps you motivated and makes your to-do system more enjoyable. As your life and responsibilities evolve, your to-do system should adapt too. Don't be afraid to try new tools, layouts, or routines. Flexibility ensures your system continues to serve you, no matter what changes come your way. Common pitfalls include overloading your list, neglecting reviews, or abandoning your system altogether. Stay mindful of these traps and address them early. Keep your system simple, review regularly, and remember that consistency is more important than perfection. Consistency is the foundation of an effective to-do system. Make it a habit to update your list daily, review your progress, and adjust as needed. Over time, these small actions add up to big results. Remember, the more consistent you are, the more you'll accomplish. Let's recap the key steps to creating a simple to-do system. Choose your medium, capture tasks as they arise, organize and prioritize, set deadlines, review regularly, and stay flexible. Customize your system to fit your needs, and remember to celebrate your progress along the way. A simple to-do system can transform the way you manage your time and tasks. By following these steps and making your system a daily habit, you'll find yourself more organized, less stressed, and better equipped to achieve your goals. Start today and enjoy the benefits of a well-structured to-do list.